Hey there, it's Sales Funnel Nerd here. Welcome to day 41 where we start talking about sales funnels. So we're going to be talking about sales funnels and all the awesome components, how to build them out for yourself here. And I'm going to show you how to do that in this section. So first off, let's take a look at a diagram and go through a complete walkthrough of a sales funnel just so that we understand everything. So here's kind of a fairly good example of a sales funnel. So our sales funnel is going to start with some type of sales letter page. Now this could be a video sales letter. It could be like you see here in this picture where it's a long form sales letter and starts off with a headline and we've got a bunch of text, some subheads, maybe some pictures in there, and then ultimately an add to cart button. Now the order form is built onto this page here onto the bottom. And then after someone decides to buy, puts in all their information, puts in their credit card number, clicks the add to cart button, they're going to be presented with the arrow here points them over to what's called an OTO page. And that stands for one-time offer. So what it is an upsell essentially where it's they can get an additional product, something to enhance what they've just purchased, the next step essentially for them in this sales funnel. Right. So whether or not they take advantage, let's say that they take advantage of that one-time offer and actually purchase that, then they're going to be taken to this offer wall page. Right. So the offer wall is where everything's kind of summarized and presented to your customer. Now, let's say back on that OTO page that they decided to say no. They said, no, thanks, I'm not interested in this. So next what would happen is they would be automatically sent to what's called a downsell page. So let's say that OTO, that one-time offer there, say it was something that was $200. Right? And on the downsell page, we could say, hey, you passed up on that offer. Maybe it was because of the price here. What if we broke it into 4 easy payments? Right? It's that simple as far as including an additional downsell. And that's going to get people, some people who, it was literally a matter of finances who would say yes, because you have this downsell in place. So this is, you can see this type of sales funnel, highly effective as far as capturing and maximizing your customers here. So regardless of if they say yes to the downsell or they say no, they're going to be taken to the end, to the offer wall page. So underneath at the very bottom of the page here, you can see we've got where it says automation. So that's going to be our onboarding sequence that we've seen before, right? So after they purchase, they're going to be sent an onboarding sequence that helps them consume, access the product, all that kind of good stuff. And then we're going to send them to additional funnels. If they bought this product and this was kind of an entry-level price, entry-level product, then they maybe want to go to a more advanced version of a product, or maybe some type of coaching, some type of consultation, some type of higher value funnel that you've got set up there. So I will include a link so that you can have a copy of this diagram to download and check out yourself here. And feel free to check that out. And I will see you in the next video.